we need the 4 transportation bolts out. Well attached. If you don't take the transportation bolt out, then the washing machine will behave very strange, make a lot of noise and jump around on the floor. So it's really important to get them out. Number 2. That was number 2. Then you can put this on. They're supposed to be there. Until someday you might need to transport it again. Oh, nice. They put the power connection behind the transportation bolt, so you need to take them off before you can put the power on. It's Bosch machine, sure it should be really good quality. The old machine is also a Bosch, and it's worked 10 years now, but starting to leaking, and you can see the engine is near its end of service. That's number 3. Number 3. Okay, there's one here. Like that. It's quite heavy, like this machine. It's around 75 or 80 kilos, so you can understand if there's some major bumps on the road, it can really damage the machines if the bolts are not attached. That was number 4. Put this was the wrong way, so like that. Okay. We are ready then to remove the old machine, and then we attach the new one.